today's video is not about gardening or bird watching. So I'm gonna show how I make my my version of Jamaican sorrel drink. And these are the ingredients I'll be using. Well, these are the main ingredients. The dry sorrel, which is this thing here. I don't have fresh ones, so I have to use a dry one. There's ginger. Organic ginger is best because it's much stronger. Here I have some cinnamon leaf, sugar, and water. The optional ingredients are right here if you want to spike it up. That overproof rum and red label wine, but those are optional. Alright, so this is the amount of ginger I'm using. It's probably 2/3 of a cup. I grated some and I chopped up some. And the amount of sorrel is 3 cups. 3 cups dry sorrel. I'm using a little cinnamon. So I'm gonna add the ginger and the cinnamon here and let it boil for a while. And then I'll add the sorrel. I like a strong ginger flavor, so I use a lot. Damn it, get off. Okay, put the camera down and scrape off the rest. So that's just the ginger and the cinnamon stick. After it boils a little bit, I pour in the sorrel and let it sit overnight. It's 12 o'clock now, so about this time tomorrow I'll mix the whole thing. I might put some more sorrel in here. It's gonna turn really red. So now I'll turn it off and just let it sit. It's gonna sit for like 24 hours before I strain and mix it. Alright, it's the next day, about the same time, 12 o'clock. So this was sitting overnight. It's much more red now. I should have made more. So today I'm just going to strain this out and add alcohol to some of it. And maybe more ginger. So I'm going to mix it in this big bowl. This sorrel making can get really messy. So I strained it twice. Strained it with the strainer. I strained it a second time with cheesecloth. Now I'll add the sugar and the alcohol, and that's it. That's the final process. So this is the final product after this messy process. Got all these bottles. Probably gonna have to make some more for New Year's because I have to distribute a lot of these. So this is the virginal one, no alcohol. And sorrel sometimes is really red because I use brown sugar and I use more concentrated sorrel, so mine turn out like a darker color. So that's the reason why it's not red.